What's up, guys? Here, Tommy here from Green Rhino, and we're doing a VLM today. First job we're going to do VLM. It's a commercial building, office building. Got all my stuff out here waiting on the customer. Using a 175 here. Got some Ironman bonnets, and I do got a microfiber there if I need it. Got my solution mixed up. Just gonna use a hand scrubber today. Unless I get up there and I think we might have to do some more intense scrubbing and stuff like that. And then we got the little hand Mighty Mouse, you know, for spots and stuff like that. Good agitation. That thing kicks butt. Like if you're pre-spraying and you go over something and there's like a little dot spot. I know you've seen a little spot, you know, that's dark there. If you just hit it with the pre-spray and it eliminates it, and then you go over it with the bonnet. So yeah, should go easy. We're gonna do a nice vacuum first, a protein vacuum. I've had this for about a year now, and no problems. Great vacuum. Get another one when this one wears out. All right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Alright, so they do custom pet stains. I'm going to go ahead and use some Woolzyme for this. It's for wool, but it's for everything really. And because I kind of want to get an enzyme on it, and then if it doesn't fully come up, then I'll hit it with the 20 volume peroxide base. So, all right, so this is office place here, and I'm talking to the camera. Go ahead, come on through.
Okay, I'm just gonna move this out here and throw the garbage out.
So everything easy clean. Just got some puppy spots here and there. We're going to use the Woolzyme, enzyme based, and then if it doesn't fully disappear, we'll do a post spray with the 25. I'll take care of it. So doing VLM on this today. It's the best process for commercial carpet. It dries really quickly. Great results. So Aaron's vacuuming. We can get started. Alright, so it looks like the puppy just chose this room to do everything. Did you vacuum in here yet? Oh.
I think that's where, you know, it's not, yes, you want to give them the letter to John, but you need to send it. Frankly, we should bombard them all with letters. They should send them all.
All right, guys, that's it. Easy cleaning. All those pet stains came up, no problem. Always let the customer know if anything pops back up, I'll rush over here and address it. So, yeah. So this is the second time I did this place, and I did her residence multiple times. Keeps using me, so I'm pretty happy about that. So we're wrapping up. I'm gonna head off to the next one.